Hi guys, it's KidsDiys here, and today I thought it would be nice to do a complication of all of the puppies. So, you see the puppies, I'll be doing all 5 of them, and in this video we'll be doing the spotty one. It's really cute, so without further ado, let's get started. So here's what you're going to need: some scissors and some tape. Also, your template that you can buy really cheaply from my website, which I'll link that down below. And so, yes, so taking your scissors, you're just going to cut out the whole thing. I have now cut out everything. It looks really nice. This reminds me of a Dalmatian, but anyways. So, taking all of your pieces, you're just going to fold every single bit of this, including the flaps, because we're going to stick it with tape or glue, and you need to have those flaps down. Okay, for the last bit we have the tail. When you're folding them, you're just going to want to split them up. Just like that, you're just going to want to split up the flaps. I'll give a close-up view of it. You're just going to want to split up the flaps just like that. And then take your tape and put tape on both sides of the tail because it's going to stick down. I have got a lot of tape on there, but it doesn't matter. And then see where this like, just put it, like, put the tail where you think it will look nice. You can put it like this. I'm just going to show 2 ways of putting it. Or you can put it with the tail facing up. It doesn't matter. I'm going to leave it facing up. And it's, if you notice, I put it on really badly, so I'm just going to go ahead and put it on properly. Okay. So that is how the tail's going to look like. So remember how the tail is like 2 parts? Well, I don't want to have it 2 parts because it might just risk it breaking, so I'm just going to get some tape and put that around. And with the head, now that we've made the head, where these 2 dots are, you're just going to join those together and you're going to tape both of them. So I'm starting with the top, and I'm going to literally just place that down. And already it looks beautiful. And that is the doggy done.